Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a wheel of emotions in Canva. Let's go to Create, Custom Size, 1000 by 1000. Create, and now we will click on Elements, scroll down until you find Charts, see all, and we're going to pick Pie. And now we need to adjust the data. If for some reason you click out here and you can't see that, with a double click, you will open the data again. Initially, what I would do if I were you is in Series 1, change everything by 1. 1, 1, and 1. And when you press Enter, as they have the same number, the size of each slice is the same. If for some reason you want this one, for example, to be twice as large as the other ones together, put here number 2, and it will be as we want. If you want to add another element, right here, item 4, 1, and you have another one. But in my case, I'm going to make all of them same size. I'll go to Customize to hide the labels. Here you can change the colors. And now, obviously, we're going to add the emotions here. So let's go to Elements, for example, emoji, happy, the all. Let's pick this one. And now I'm going to show you one trick. If you want to see the rest of the emojis of this collection, you have to go to More, Info, View Collection. And here you have the other emojis that belong to the same collection, so that everything has the same style. And now you can add this one. And once you have finished, select all and increase its size. And now you are ready to go to Share, Download, Download. And now it's your turn. I hope you're able to follow the basics of this video to create your own wheel, which can be about emotions, weather, or whatever you need. See you guys. Bye-bye.